Updating your status in Teamwork projects provides you with a mechanism for broadcasting what you're currently doing. This gives you a great outlet to let your team know your availability at any given time. Updating your status is really easy. All we need to do is select the options drop down here, and then just select Update My Status. In the window here we can see our last status update, and then below this we can add our new status. If we want to notify a particular user, we can easily add that user. So here you can see I'm notifying Vic. Below this we have the number of characters we have left in our status. And if we want to notify everybody in the company of my status change, we can easily do so here. And then once we're happy, just select Update Status, and now our status has been added. We can view all status updates here in the Statuses tab. So here you can see my added status, as well as any other statuses that have been added. Selecting this megaphone icon here on our own status will allow us to update our status again, or indeed we can select Update Status up here on the top right. And as well as being able to update our own status, we can also request a status update from another user by selecting this drop down here and requesting the user's status. And that's it. That's how easy it is to update your status in Teamwork projects. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact us, support@teamwork.com.